When we were kids, my brothers and their friends would set up a football team, then invite boys from another neighborhood for a football match. It was a serious and important aspect of their lives. I know that this is a common practice in many neighborhoods and goes a long way to create friendliness and brotherhood in these neighborhoods. Several years down the line, I know they still maintain healthy relationships with some of these boys that came into their lives as a result of these games back in the day. If it works for kids, it will work in any kind of relationship. Your girl here, Wilmina, and this is the game night episode. Active game nights or gaming activities not as a profession but for recreation is what I observed from only 3 categories of people. First, the Western world. Some people, though not all, haven't seen it in their movies where friends or family organize gaming activities mostly at evening times just to relax and spend time together. Secondly, young boys or men in general, especially field events. Thirdly, African men of age, mostly those in the villages. If you take a sample of these categories of people, there is more unity and friendliness among them compared to the general public. If something that little could build relationships, then let's imbibe the culture in our homes and environments among all genders and age groups. We need the bond, the ease, and the unity. My pastor introduced a simple sports ground in the church premises for all interested persons, and beyond a religious setting is a community sport for peaceful recreation and interaction. Find common interests and put it to action. People are less likely to be afraid, distrust, or be too formal with those they hang out with. With your friends, family, colleagues, and by extension community, do fun activities. It may be simple like a ludo game or a movie, but it strengthens relationships. Don't have the impression that only lazy people have time for games. For you, it helps you relax. With others, it helps you bond. Only remember to do all responsibly. To keep this vibe, why not like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. See you on the next episode.